Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sal Mahajan. So in the previous video, we saw how can you connect to your EC2 instance through the web browser, that is using EC2 Connect. So today we're going to be connecting to our EC2 instance using PuTTY. So let's get right into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and launch a new instance, and let's give this as my test server as the name. We're gonna leave all the settings as default. And remember, in the previous videos, we did create a login key pair, but I'm just gonna show you guys the settings that you require in case you guys do not have a key pair. You can go ahead and give any key pair name that you wish to. Make sure that the key pair type is RSA. And because we want to connect to our EC2 instance through PuTTY, we are going to choose the .ppk file that is for use with PuTTY. Okay, you can go ahead and click on create pair. I am not going to create a new key pair because I already have a key pair present. So I'm just going to select my previous key pair, and then we are going to scroll down. You guys have to make sure that allow SSH traffic from anywhere is turned on. Make sure that this specified setting is turned on. Then we're going to leave everything else as default, and we're going to click on launch instance. And we're just going to give this a couple of seconds, and there you go. It says that successfully initiated launch of your instance. So we're going to go ahead and click on this instance ID, and it should open up a new page with the EC2 dashboard. Let's go ahead and click on refresh. And just while this EC2 instance is being created, if you guys did create a new key pair, that key pair would have been downloaded while you are creating your instance. Now, if you guys have selected a key pair that was already created, you would have the downloaded copy available in your downloads folder or any other folder in which your downloads go to. So let's quickly go ahead and click on refresh. As you guys can see, our EC2 instance is running. Let's go ahead and open up the EC2 instance page. So for this example, you will be requiring an SSH client. That in this scenario we're going to be using PuTTY. So this is basically the download link for PuTTY that's available. I'll be putting it down in the description so you guys can pick it up from there. And because I run on a Windows system, so I went and installed the 64-bit 86 architecture installer. So let's go right ahead and now connect to our specified EC2 instance. So we're going to go ahead and click on connect. And when you click on connect, you're going to come to the SSH client, and you are going to copy down this public DNS. Again, there are two ways wherein you can copy this public DNS. One is you can copy it from here, or you can also copy it from over here in your instance summary. So let me go ahead and open PuTTY. So here you go. This is how PuTTY basically looks like. Now you require two things when you are going to connect to your EC2 instance. In fact, you require three things. I'm going to head back to the connect page, and we're going to keep this open right over here. Now I'm going to open back our PuTTY instance, put this on the side. So you require three things. The first thing is your host name, which you guys can get it from here. That is your public DNS. I'm going to go ahead and paste that right over here, and make sure that your port is 22 because we're doing an SSH connection. Now you guys would have downloaded a .ppk file that is your key. So on the left hand side, you can see the tab that says connection. We are going to go into SSH. Inside SSH, there will be a tab that says auth. We're going to open up that auth, and you will see a tab that is called credentials. We're going to go ahead and open this specified credentials. Now you have to put the file location over here. You guys can browse over to that specified file location and you can input it. I have that location with me right over here, so I am just going to paste it. As you can see, it is connection keypair.ppk. And then we're just going to simply go ahead and click on open. Once you click on open, you will basically get a page like this popping up, and it's going to ask you you want to log in as. So what is the user that you want to log in as? So the user that you are going to log in as is going to be found over here that says EC2-user. So I'm going to sorry, my bad. I'm just gonna remove all of this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and type EC2 dash user, and we're gonna go ahead and click enter. You can see that it tries to authenticate you using the public key that you provided. That is the connection key pair and there you go. We're logged into our Amazon Linux. I can go ahead and do ls, and you can see nothing is there. I can become a root user, and then maybe we can go one directory back, and we can see that here you go. We are now the root user and there is a directory present. So this is basically how you can connect to your EC2 instance using PuTTY. In case you guys don't like to connect to your EC2 instance using the web browser, you can also use PuTTY to connect to it. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.